Welcome back, guys, to my vlog channel. Today we are walking, taking a walk. It's my birthday, and we are going into, I think this is, what is the name again? Mountain Spring. That's where we're heading right now. It's going to be a really long walk, but it's really refreshing. We're going to move from like suburban areas into kind of like some country areas and stuff. So you'll walk with me along the walk and things. So see you later. What is it? She's tired already. She's so tired already. I know. I would just started the walk. It's crazy. Super tired already. Yo, it's. You see her body looks slim and trim, and like it would appear that she's super fit. Nah, we're pretty much getting into the temperature is dropping, and you can just feel, it almost feels like a mini rainforest kind of thing happening, and it feels good. It's been a while since I've taken this walk. I love it. It's a good way to start off the birthday, you know. Went to an epic party last night. Big up on himself, I love soca. That was just, that was off the hook. This is where it gets steeper. It gets really steep here. You know, the worst part is like whenever a car is passing and then you hear the car struggling and you're like, yo, if the car is struggling, what about me? You see me? But you have to just keep to it and just keep on walking. Some other persons park their cars even closer. Yeah. Ooh, sexy legs. Come put a little more weight on your body. Make this more easier for you.
Always around from before Jesus come. So if you tell the man I'm not a ghost.
Look at this face. No, don't start smiling for the camera before you were sulking and stuff. Yeah. That's how it is. So for the entire walk, I'm just here motivating. You can do it. Come on, you can do it. Come on. But as I already have figured out, she needs some milk. Guys, I think we're fun to find, you know? Come on with me in an adventure. Let's go. It's really cool. It's almost as if it's like a mini pool or something like that. I like it, man. Here is really, really relaxing. Very miserable, but look how the camera is going to make her smile. You're on the camera. I told you these just that as soon as you put the camera, smiling. The camera is not in reverse, guys. He's actually running backwards. Break number 52 or 51. Morning, morning.
How often do you do this?
Is that weights on your back? See? Morning. I must be ashamed of myself. Oh my gosh. That's so funny. She says, you must be ashamed of yourself. And she's the one who's stopping. 100 more meters.
All uphill.
All uphill. Alright. Morning. Yeah, she almost rolled over. One step at a time. Like she literally almost rolled down the hill. Yo, this is funny. Look at these legs. Yeah. Oh. Come on, bruh. Come on, work for the water. You want the water? You need some water, right? Come on, you got it. You got it, Fee. Take a sip. Come on.
Walk of shame.
And you're at the final furlong. How you feel? Yeah, tired. What accomplished? What accomplished? Sweat of victory.
Hello? Hi.
Somebody calling?
Are you calling me?
Allow me to tell. Only Fiona abided to this law on the way up and not complain. She made it somewhat.
Yes. Not on life support.
Not on life support. So this is what it really is about. That's why I decided to call this vlog channel Stuck on an Island, because a lot of the times, you know, like every day just work, and you never really connect with anything else. You never really connect with people, connect with nature, and just, you know, put yourself in some level of relaxation. Just walking up here, I mean, it's a good bit of workout. It's not the gym, but it's a lot more fun and more interactive, you know. We get to talk to people coming up, and persons that help to motivate Fiona, who's about to stop this van. Oh, she didn't, because she literally said that she would stop the van, stop a vehicle, and get up here. Good morning, sir. So yeah, that's what the vlog is about pretty much. As we go along, we'll see. We'll go to like different places. Of course parties, because I enjoy partying, even though last night was like the first of very little. So yeah, we pretty much reached our destination, so Fiona is really happy. Do you feel that we're actually here? I have no clue, but I'm really excited.
You know we can go back in there?
Huh? Where? For this happiness. You want to go to the top of that? Yeah, so we just did the walk, and now trying to get some breakfast in Cannonball. Hopefully it's open, and yeah. Morning. what's on the menu today. I know I want probably, I don't even know, probably like waffles and bacon and eggs. What do you choose?
What are you guys feeling?
The buttermilk waffles and bacon. And I think I go want two eggs over easy maybe.
I want this to be expensive.
Which one expensive?
Because I want French toast. And I want omelette.
French toast come with it? Then get it then. You can get that one, or if you see any other options maybe, just go through it. And for some strange reason I feel like I'm going to be here for like an hour. Because I don't think she's going to be able to choose what she wants to eat in time. One of them things there. It's not like that till I just come in here and I know exactly what I want. Waffles, bacon, 2 over easy eggs. That's soft. I think she's studying for a degree. Honestly, she is studying for a degree. Let's just wait while she studies. She wanted this one. Yeah, the omelette plus for $1,250, but she's saying like it's too expensive. Is there any way she can get an omelette and some form of like a side French toast? Is that possible? And it's gonna be less than this? Just, yeah, work something out for me. Do any matter?
It's okay,
huh?
just the omelette and toast. And that's $7.50.
So, after some long deliberations, we actually chose what we wanted to eat. So we're just gonna wait until it comes and then pay for it and then, yo, trust me, woman, it's crazy. Ooh, hot chocolate. This is for the people who believe that in Jamaica, for the people who believe that in Jamaica we live on the beach and all we do is smoke weed and we don't have any homes. There are actually places here that you can actually go to. So it's a pretty interesting place. We're very Americanized. Thank you. Thank you. So I got 2 over easy eggs. Over easy means like it's kind of still running inside. Yo, and don't tell me say that nasty or anything like that. I used to work at IHOP, so I guess that kind of made me get used to that gross kind of stuff. And what's that? Regular toast, butter, well, a heart attack, and omelette, cheesy omelette. And yeah, bon appetit. My stomach is like really full. Well, the food is really good, super good. That's what's left. But the food was good too. So, pretty much leaving there now. It was amazing, as I said before. Kinda wanted to go to the beach today. I don't really know what are going to be like, because if you can see, the weather is not the best. Weather really is not the best right now, but let's see.